Yes. So we can move on to the classes, children. Okay. So as usual, we are going to start the class with an activity. Okay. And I'm going to read the question. Yeah. So here are your answer variants. Okay. So you have to pick the correct answer. Okay, children. So yes, I want everyone's okay, yes, answer here. So everyone should try to answer. Okay, wow. So explain the three pathways of breakdown in living organisms. Okay. So yes. So okay, and even today we are going to start it with the respiration. Okay, explain the three pathways of breakdown in living organisms. And then so here is the okay, yes, image. So in this okay, yes, yeah, so in this picture, so there is a glucose. Okay, so there is a glucose, and then the glucose gets converted to some other form, yeah, which is called as a pyruvate. Okay, glucose gets converted to pyruvate. Yeah, so it is all happening in the cytoplasm of the cell. Okay, and next to it, so if yeah, so if the presence of oxygen is there, yeah, so it will be entering, so the pyruvate will be entering into the mitochondria. Okay, and then it will be producing some of the products like this. Yeah, yes, okay, in yeah, mostly okay, it will be followed. Yeah, but during the heavy exercises or otherwise if you are lifting anything, okay, any objects, yeah, and then so the next day you will be having a pain, right? Okay, even athletes will also have the pain, right? Okay, what is the reason of the pain? Okay, so this is called as a lack of oxygen. So with the help of a okay, lack of yeah, if there is no lack of oxygen, yes, what will be produced? Okay, and next to it, in the absence, complete absence of the oxygen which is happening in the east, what are all the products? Okay, you're going to answer, so you can guess. Okay, everyone. Yeah, 1 minute. Okay. Yes. So is it visible, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Good evening. Okay. Yeah. From yes, Raja Veni ID. Yes. Who has joined now?
Sadhana, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Good evening, Sadhana.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes. Very good evening. So yes, we are doing the activity. Okay. So here is the question. So glucose breaks down to pyruvate, and then absence of oxygen. So it will be producing some substance. Okay. We have to find it, and then lack of oxygen condition in muscle cells in human being and then other animals, it will be producing a B. And then so if presence of oxygen, yes, okay, if there is a presence of oxygen condition, it will be producing a C. Okay, we have to find out, yes, A, B, C. Okay, so here are the okay, options, children. So yes, you can yeah choose. Yeah, everyone. So Nabila, Sanjay, Pratyush, Divya, Nandana, every one of you. Yeah, Sanjay. Yeah, you can guess. You can guess. Everyone can guess. So it's an activity. Yeah. It's not the FT. Okay, it's an activity. Even if it is wrong, no issues at all. We are going to learn it.
Ma'am, option D.
Option D or B?
D.
D. Okay. So D. Yeah. So everyone, can I go with the D option itself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes. So let's check everyone. Okay. So for the first one, yeah. So in the absence of a condition, so in absence of the oxygen, yes, it is happening in the east. Okay, it's happening in the east. Then absence. Okay, so it's the respiration process which is happening in the absence of oxygen is called as anaerobic respiration. Okay, anaerobic respiration. And absence of aerobic respiration. Clear. And then so okay, so the products will be carbon dioxide will also be produced here, and along with that okay, alcohol. Okay, so this yes, yeah, ethanol. Okay, so yes, it will be produced, and one more thing is okay, it's the energy. Yeah, okay, ethyl alcohol or ethanol, carbon dioxide. Okay, so ethanol, carbon dioxide, and then so what is the main thing? What is the main product here? Which one has to be produced? Yes, yes, everyone. From the glucose, okay, from the food, or even in the advertisements. Yeah, yes, yes, Nabila. Yeah.
Energy.
Energy, yes, that's the correct answer. Okay, so it is energy. Okay, everyone. So the main product is the energy. Okay, so yes, it's the carbon dioxide. Yeah, so carbon dioxide will be produced, and along with that, okay, ethanol will be produced, and then the main product will be the energy. Okay, energy. So only in this, okay, so it's alcoholic. Yeah, so ethanol will be produced in the, yeah, okay, it is in the anaerobic, okay, respiration process, yeah, which is
Ma'am,
occurring in the mover organisms. Yeah, Nabila.
what is ethanol, ma'am?
Okay, so it is also yes, ethyl alcohol. Okay, yes, ethyl alcohol. Yeah, you know well about the alcohol, right? Alcoholic compound.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, yes, it is also produced. Okay, it is also produced as a, okay, byproduct. And next to it, it's the lack of oxygen. So before, okay, we will see the lack of oxygen condition. So we will, okay, so check here, presence of oxygen. Okay, presence of oxygen. So we'll have this one. Yeah, for example, okay, human being or so okay, human being example நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம் சரியா? Okay, carbohydrate. Yeah, carbohydrate. And then what is the digested form of a carbohydrate? If we are taking in carbohydrate food, yes, it will get converted or it will get digested into, yes, it will start with G.
Glucose.
Yeah, very good, Sanjay. Okay, it's the glucose. Okay, glucose. And then the glucose has to enter each and every cells of the body. Okay, so that the energy can be produced inside the cell. Okay, everyone. And then so in the case of presence of oxygen, yeah, it will be entering into the mitochondria, and then it will be producing the carbon dioxide, okay, water, and then energy. Okay, in each and every cell. So these are the things will be produced. Yeah, so they are the byproducts of presence of oxygen or aerobic respiration. Okay, aerobic respiration. So okay, so if starting, so start from the, okay, starting, yeah, you should learn this, okay, yes, and understand it very clearly, because so every time we are receiving the question from the respiration part. Okay, children. Yeah, so next to it, ஓகே. இப்ப நீங்க ஏதாவது ஒரு வெயிட்ட, ஸோ இப்ப ஏதாவது நம்ம தூக்குறோம்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஆர் அதர்வைஸ் ஸோ ரன்னிங்லயா இருக்கலாம். ஓகே. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஏதோ ஒரு ஹெவி ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் டே, இல்லைன்னா ஸோ கொஞ்ச நேரம் கழிச்சு பார்த்தோம்னா, யூ வில் ஹாவ் அ பெயின். ஐ ரைட்? ஸோ ஓகே. யாராருக்கெல்லாம் அந்த மாதிரி பெயின் ஃபீல் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க? மோஸ்ட்லி ஆல் ஆஃப் அஸ், ரைட்? எஸ் எவ்ரிவன்?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. And then, so what is the reason? Yes, why we are getting this cramps? Because, so yeah, if we want to run faster, okay, if we want to run faster, there should be the energy, right? Okay, energy இல்லைன்னா நமக்கு என்ன பண்ண மாட்டோம். So we shouldn't run, right? So நம்ம சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, okay, எனக்கு எனர்ஜியே இல்லை, so that என்னை வந்துட்டு நடக்க வைக்காதீங்க, என்னால நடக்க முடியாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம், right? Okay, which means, yeah, for each and every actions, we need energy, right? We depend energy. Without the energy, we cannot, okay, do any, we cannot perform any type of a function. And yeah, if okay, so if energy வந்து produce பண்ணணும், and then so energy produce ஆகணும் அப்படின்னா, there should be the oxygen. Okay, there should be the supply of oxygen. Yeah, continually there should be the supply of oxygen. So why we are breathing? Because of, yeah, so since we, okay, our body have to, okay, it has to generate the energy with the help of oxygen. ஓகே எவ்ரிவான். பட் ஸோ இப்போ வந்து ஓகே, ஸோ இந்த ஆக்சிஜன் வந்து என்ன என்ன கண்டிஷன்ஸ்ல மாறிடும்? இட் இஸ் கோயிங் டு பி ஓகே ஃப்ரம் தி பிரசன்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஆக்சிஜன்ல இருந்து இட் வில் பி ஓகே மூவிங் டு தி லேக் ஆஃப் ஆக்சிஜன். ஆக்சிஜன் லெவல் இஸ் லோவர். ஸோ தட்ஸ் வை நம்ம வந்து ஃபாஸ்டா ஓடுறப்போ பார்த்தோம்னா நம்ம மூச்சு வாங்குதுன்னு சொல்லுவோம், ரைட்? Yes, our breathing rate will be increased. As children, it is all because, yeah, okay, why? What is happening there in our body? So in order to produce the energy, yes, okay, it has to, yes, so the oxygen level has to be higher. But if we are doing, okay, any work, some, okay, something faster, yeah, so any heavy works, it needs, okay, so more, yeah, so oxygen, so it needs more oxygen, okay. So it நிறைய எனர்ஜி ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணணும்னா நிறைய ஆக்சிஜனும் வேணும். So that, okay, maybe food and that food already irukkalam body la, but to supply the oxygen, okay, so there will be the condition called lack of oxygen. In this lack of oxygen condition, yeah, it's very simple. Yeah, lactic acid will be produced. Okay, lactic acid will be produced. So it is another pathway, okay, the body will produces the energy. This is another pathway in which the body produces instant energy. Even in the advertisements you would have seen it, right? Okay, so glucovita அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிற ஒரு so இதுல வந்திருக்கும். Have you ever seen? Okay, so instant energy. So if you want to have the instant energy, and if there is a condition lack of oxygen, yeah, so our body will be producing our body cells, yeah, and then so it will be happening in our muscle cells. Okay, muscle cells. In our muscle cells, lactic acid will be produced. Okay, everyone, so just imagine this is the lactic acid, and then so this accumulation, okay, so this lactic acid accumulation will be there in our each and every cells. Okay, for example, so இப்போ வந்து நான் இன்னைக்கு என்னோட ரைட் ஹேண்ட்ல ஏதோ ஒரு வெயிட் நான் தூக்கிட்டே இருக்கேன் அப்படின்றப்போ, so next day, yeah, so I will be having the pain in my right hand, right? Why? Because so there will be the lactic acid accumulation in each and every cells. Okay, children, because so this particular cells alone, so okay, so they have done the lack of oxygen. Okay, so they have done the anaerobic respiration in order to produce the energy. Okay, clear everyone? So here lactic acid will be produced along with energy. Okay, children, so here it's very simple. Okay, lack of oxygen, lactic acid will be produced. So clear? Any doubts?
No doubts, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so now, yeah, yes. Okay, next you can find what is A, what is B, and what is C. If not, okay, A is not the correct answer. What would be the correct answer then? A, B, C. Yes, little faster. Okay, so let's check the answers. It is ethanol, carbon dioxide, and
A.
okay, yes. So which means, okay, so it's the second one. Yeah, ethanol will also be produced, okay, in an anaerobic condition, and then lactic acid in the lack of oxygen condition, and carbon dioxide will not be produced in the lactic acid condition, lack of oxygen condition, and then carbon dioxide, water, and energy, which will be produced in, okay, all the, okay, organisms. So clear, everyone? Yeah, clear about respiration?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, everyone. So now we can move on to the classes, and yeah. Okay, in our last class, so we have learned about fermentation. We have just started about the fermentation. Am I right, everyone? Yeah. Okay. So anyways, okay, we are going to, yes, complete this life process in plants today. Okay. So types of a cellular respiration. So this one only we have done it in the, yes. So we, okay, yeah, look at this. So this one only we have done it in the activity. Okay. So in yeast, ethanol will be produced, carbon dioxide, energy. Okay, everyone. And next to it, the anaerobic, okay. Yeah, the aerobic respiration. Then fermentation. Okay, fermentation. Fermentation. So other name. Okay, what is the other name for the fermentation? It's nothing but the anaerobic respiration. Okay, anaerobic respiration in other terms, it is called as fermentation. Okay, fermentation. Okay, everyone. So just think about the idli batter. Okay, so there is an idli batter. Yeah, and then okay, idli batter. So first, okay, so in our home, so first they will be preparing the idli batter, and then so next, okay, so immediately we cannot get idli or dosa, right? Okay, and then so they will, okay, they will keep it aside for, okay, yeah, few more hours. Yes, children. So it is all happening day to day life, right? Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is
Yes, ma'am.
happening there? Okay, so the bacteria, the living organisms, the microorganisms will do the fermentation process. Okay, everyone will do the fermentation process. It is an anaerobic condition because, okay, so we will be closing this, okay, airtight container. Okay, we will be, yes, okay, the container. So நம்ம எந்த இதுல batter வச்சிருக்கோமோ, so we will be covering it. Okay, so which will be the, yes, anaerobic condition. Okay, absence of oxygen, absence of air condition. Okay, it is of two type, alcoholic and lactic acid fermentation. Yes, okay, lactic acid fermentation is nothing but, so when our body needs, okay, instant energy while, okay, yes, we are doing the exercises, yeah, heavy exercises, yeah, any other, okay, functions which requires, yeah, more energy, so our body will be, okay, moving to the another pathway, lactic acid fermentation. Okay, everyone, another one will be alcoholic, which is, okay, yes, the ethanol production. Yeah, the well known example is in yeast. Okay, yeast. And then what is the product? Okay, so what is the use of yeast, everyone? Yeah, even in your microorganisms chapter in 8th grade you would have learned about yeast. Yes, what is the use of yeast? Yeast powders. Okay, they will be used in a bakery items as children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
and then okay, for the fermentation process. Okay, so okay, they will be adding the yeast in the, okay, dough so that it will get fermented. Yeah, and yes, so next to it, it is all okay. We learned about the muscle cramps. Okay, and then so how the muscle cramps can be rectified? Yes, you have a muscle cramp. Okay, if you are a sports person, any one of you, okay, if you have a muscle cramp, okay, what is the remedy you will be doing? Okay, so the simple one is we will be massaging this particular area, right? Okay, if my hand is paining, okay, or otherwise I have a pain. Okay, so I will do the massaging, right? So the massaging, okay, how will it helpful? Because when we massage, yeah, so then, okay, anaerobic condition will be converted to, the lack of oxygen will be converted to presence of oxygen. Because so the oxygen will be present in the blood, so that, okay, when I'm massaging, yes, okay, I will be increasing the blood circulation. Yeah, okay, children. So clear about muscle cramps. Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Yeah, yes, yeah. Okay, any doubts, Nabila? You have raised the hand.
Yes, ma'am. So when we don't have proper blood circulation, that's when we get muscle cramps.
Yes, okay, it is also one condition, but mostly when you're, okay, when we are doing some exercises, heavy exercises, if you are lifting some heavy weights, yeah, so there should be the energy, okay, so that for the instant energy in the lack of oxygen condition, yeah, so it will be entering into the, okay, this part, yeah, lactic acid, and then because of the lactic acid accumulation in our cells, we will get the muscle cramps. Okay, and next to it, yes, yeah, yes, everyone, okay, and yeah, without the oxygen, can we burn anything? Can
No,
we burn?
ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am.
no, right? Okay. Yes, yeah. Okay, here also from the glucose, okay, from the food only, okay, the energy will be there in a food because, okay, they are called as the energy giving food. Carbohydrates are called as energy giving food. Okay, so yes, if we want to have the energy, what has to be done here? Okay, we need the oxygen so that, okay, it can, okay, it can be broken down properly, so that, okay, what are all the time, okay, what, yes, how much ever the energy is produced, okay, yes, it is there in the food, it will be released. Okay, it will be released. Yeah, for example, yeah, you can check here in the aerobic condition alone, we have 38 ATPs, which means, okay, so energy currency. ATP is nothing but energy currency. So we have learned that, okay, energy is produced. Okay, yeah, energy is produced. But what is the energy? It is the ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. Okay, children, this is called as, and the, okay, it is the, yeah, energy currency for the cell. Okay, clear, everyone? Yes, yeah, I want everyone's, okay, yes, confirmation
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, only two. Yes, only three, only few. Okay, so yes, yeah, very good. Okay, so in aerobic condition, there will be the, okay, yes, enough of oxygen so that, okay, so the food, okay, the food, yes, okay, the so food will be completely broken down so that, okay, we can get, okay, 38 ATP. But in the case of anaerobic condition, including the, okay, lack of oxygen condition, it will be, okay, yes, partially, okay, so it will be partially, okay, so the glucose will not be completely broke down. Okay, so it, yes, so glucose completely broke down, so it will be, okay, it will be broken down only in the case of aerobic, not in the anaerobic. Okay, clear, everyone? எஸ் இப்போ ஆக்ஸிஜன் இல்லாம ஓகே ஆக்ஸிஜன் இல்லாம நம்ம ஏதாவது ஒரு பர்ன் பண்றோம், ஏர் இல்லாம நம்ம பர்ன் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா அது ஹாஃப் தான். ஒரு பேப்பர் இருக்குன்னு வச்சுப்போம், ஸோ ஹாஃப் தான் பர்ன் ஆயிருக்கும், ரைட்? ஓகே the same thing is applied for here also. And then okay, and the yield, ATP yield is also very okay, yes, minimum 2 only. Okay, so clear? Any doubts as of now?
No, ma'am.
No doubt.
Yeah, yes, everyone. Okay, and then the photosynthesis and the cellular respiration. Yes, okay, so yes, yeah, even in the last class also we have done it. So during the okay photosynthesis, during the daytime, photosynthesis will be happening because okay it needs the light, right? What is the raw material for the photosynthesis, children? Okay, yes,
Sunlight,
okay,
water,
yes, water. Okay, very good. An important one.
nutrients from soil.
So nutrients, okay, nutrients. The plants need nutrients. What is the specific raw material for photosynthesis? Yeah, we usually say that, right? Green plants are good to us because so they are observing the blank from the atmosphere.
Oxygen, ma'am.
Okay, so they will be taking the oxygen, or okay, if there is a pollution or otherwise, okay, so the carbon dioxide, right, children? So the carbon dioxide is very much important because from the carbon dioxide only the plant is going to produce the food. Okay, clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So from the carbon dioxide only. So that okay, even yeah. So the respiration will happen day and night. Okay, day and night. But during the day times, okay, so they will be yes, instead of releasing it, they will be utilizing for the photosynthesis. And apart from that, if there is a okay a carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, that is also taken. Okay, so next to it, yes, okay, so they will be yeah releasing the oxygen. But during the night times, okay, so நம்ம இப்போ சொல்வாங்க இல்லையா, okay, so ஒரு big trees இருக்கு அப்படின்னா அந்த treesல so nightல வந்துட்டு okay treesக்கு கீழே படுக்க கூடாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Have you ever heard this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, what is the reason? Because okay, so there won't be the photosynthesis at night. And then okay, so the plants, okay, in the plants only respiration process alone will happen. Even the plants, okay, so they will take the oxygen and they will give out the carbon dioxide. Okay, respiration is same. Okay, so respiration அப்படின்னா என்னது? So they will be taking the oxygen and then they will be giving out the carbon dioxide. Okay, so that yes, okay, if a person is so sleeping under a tree, so he will not get the enough of oxygen because okay, a high amount of a carbon dioxide will also be released. Okay, and then so it will create a suffocation. Okay, clear, children? Yeah.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubts? Any
Once
doubts?
again,
Oh, yeah, yes. So any doubts?
No, ma'am. No.
Okay, everyone. So next, okay, we can move on to the okay, gas exchange in plants. Okay, gas exchange in plants. Okay, so for the gas exchanges, the green plants will have the stomata. Okay, stomata. So stomata are nothing but okay. So for example, the leaf is present. The leaf surface. Yeah, so the leaf surface, especially the lower surface of the leaf, will have the pores. Okay, so will have numerous pores. Okay, these pores or opening are called as stoma. Stoma is a singular one and stomata will be the plural. Okay, clear, everyone? Stoma is a singular and then stomata is a plural. Okay, so and then so how they will be okay regulated, the opening and then closing, how will it be regulated? With the help of a guard cells. Okay, with the help of a guard cells. So guard cells are nothing but so yes here. Okay, so there is an yeah, so there is an opening, right? The opening is termed as a okay yeah stoma. And then so there are okay guard cells. It is regulated by okay guard cells. Yes, so they are the guard cells. Okay, everyone, so these two are guard cells. And so the stoma is opening, okay, and then stoma is closing. So how it is happening? Because okay, whenever the water is entering, okay, if the water is entered into the guard cells, it will open. And then okay, though if there is no water in the guard cells, it will remain closed. Okay, so we will see this in detail. Okay, everyone. Yeah, so there is an experiment here. Okay. And so the experiment, the aim of this experiment is to understand the carbon dioxide as the gas liberated during the cellular respiration. Even during the cellular respiration, yes, which gas will be liberated? It is also carbon dioxide. Okay, so yes, for example, so they have taken, so look at this experiment setup. Okay, remember that everyone. Yeah, the use of a KOH. KOH என்ன பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா, so it will be observing the carbon dioxide. It will be KOH. Okay, so KOH will be, so it's a chemical. Okay, everyone. So it is a potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide, it will be observing the carbon dioxide. Okay, so this experimental setup is done. Yes, so in this conical flask, so they have taken germinating seeds. Okay, so germinating seeds, okay, they have taken. And then so there is a tube also. Okay, and then there is a water. Yeah, first, okay, what we are doing, so we are, okay, so there will be the limit. Okay, limit, right? Okay, so the water will be moving here. ஆமாவா? So first நம்ம experimental setup வச்சதுக்கு அப்புறமா, so some amount of water, okay, so will be moved here. Okay, இங்க வரைக்கும் மூவ் பண்ணிருக்கும். So இது வந்து இனிஷியலா நான் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். Right? And next to it, okay, so கொஞ்சம் நேரம் கழிச்சு பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா, so there will be the respiration process would have done in their germinating seeds, and then, okay, so they will be, yes, released. Okay, so they'll be released the carbon dioxide, and then so okay, whatever the released, okay, so released carbon dioxide release ஆனதெல்லாமே வந்து, so the KOH solution would have, okay, taken it, okay, would have observed it, and then because of it, okay, a vacuum, okay, a vacuum na another, okay, so nothing is there, right? Okay, so the vacuum germinating seeds in the process called cellular respiration. It is, okay, yes, so the KOH solution, it will be observing it. Okay, everyone. And mostly in MCQs, okay, they can ask what is the use of a potassium hydroxide. It will be observing the, okay, carbon dioxide. Okay, everyone. Yes. So,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
yeah, can we move on to the transportation part? Transportation. As children, it is all very simple. Okay, transportation part is very simple because even in our, okay, ninth grade, you would have learned about plant tissues, right? Okay, complex plant tissues. As children, what are the two complex plant tissues? What are all the two complex plant tissues? One is the xylem, and what is the another one?
Phloem.
Phloem. Very good. Okay, it's the phloem. Yeah, xylem and a phloem. Okay, everyone. So for the transportation, xylem and phloem are very much helpful. Okay, xylem and phloem are very much helpful. Clear? So look at this. Okay, yes. Yeah, what is the use of a xylem, everyone? What is the use of a xylem? Xylem.
Transport water through
Okay,
plant.
transport. Yes, okay, transport the water alone, or otherwise, okay, it will be taking some of this
Minerals.
nutrients. Yeah, very good. Okay, the minerals. Yeah, very good. And one more thing. So remember, everyone, water and minerals. Okay, water and minerals are taken by, okay, so taken by the, yeah, or otherwise transported by xylem. Yeah, water and minerals. Water and minerals together called as a sap. Together, it is called as a sap. Okay, so sap. Clear, children? Okay, so the xylem, yes, okay, they'll be transporting the water. And one more thing is, it is in one direction. Okay, why it is one direction? So you would have observed that, yeah, okay, if you have a plant, okay, so you're, okay, pouring the water, and then so the water will be taken up by the plant, right? Okay, it will be taken up by the plant. Yes, so it will be entering into each parts. Okay, and have you ever seen, so the water is returning to the soil? Will it happen, everyone? Returning?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Okay, will the water which is absorbed by the plant, will it be returning to the land?
No, ma'am.
No. Right, everyone? Okay. Because the xylem will carry the water in one way. Okay. In one direction. Okay. In one direction. Clear? But in the case of a phloem, it is not like this. So it will be a bidirectional one. Okay. Bidirectional one. So any doubts as of now? Everyone?
No, ma'am.
Yes?
No.
Okay. So next is okay, we are going to learn about transportation, yeah, which means xylem and phloem in detail. Okay. So it's the xylem, yeah, it's the xylem, okay, which is one direction, and then it is the phloem. Okay, you can see this two way. Okay, two way. So we will see this one by one. First, we are going to learn about xylem. Yeah. Okay. So yes, xylemல dead cells வந்து abundant இருக்குமா, living cells abundant இருக்குமா? We okay would have learned in our ninth grade. Yes, yes, everyone. Okay, yeah. So yes, yeah. So xylem பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா, it will have abundant of dead cells. Okay, and now yes, there is another question. What is a dead cell, children? What is a dead cell in a plant? What is a dead cell in a plant? Yes, yes, yes. Little faster. Okay, so yes, look at this. So there is a plant. Okay, so there is a small plant, and look at this stem part. Okay, and then so this particular, okay, the plant is growing now into a, yes, a tree now. Okay, it is going to into a tree. And okay, usually if you draw a tree, yes, what is the color of the stem? Yeah, can I give the green
Brown.
color itself?
No,
Brown.
ma'am. Brown.
Okay, why? Yeah, but
Cork,
okay,
ma'am. It is present
bark.
as
Okay,
cork.
bark. Okay, but it is not in the green color, right? Okay, yes, very good. So okay, it will be in a brown. Yeah, okay, 1 minute. We'll check for a brown also. Okay, yes. We'll use this color. Okay, yes. So it will be okay, brown in color, right? What is the reason, children? Any one of you? What is the reason? What is the reason? Okay, what is the
Ma'am,
difference you are seeing? Yeah, yes,
ma'am,
Kavya.
because of cork, ma'am. Cork present in the tree.
Hmm. Okay, car. Okay, good. So the stem, yeah, so okay, so we can break the stem easily. But to cut down the tree, okay, yes, is it easy to cut down a tree?
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
No, ma'am.
Okay, நம்ம வந்து ஒரு ஸ்டெம் ஒரு ஸ்மால் பிளான்ட் இருக்கு. அத வந்து சோ எப்படி ஈஸியா வந்து சோ பிரேக் பண்றோமோ, சோ அதே போல இங்கேயும் பிரேக் பண்ண முடியாது, ரைட்? பிகாஸ் this particular part has a dead cells. Okay, children, so we will see what is a dead cell. So it will have a dead cell, and one more thing, remember that, okay, if there is a dead cell, abundant of a dead cell, it is going to give the mechanical support. Because of the mechanical support only, we could, okay, we could not break the stem. Okay, so okay, yeah, so the trunk of the, yeah, tree. Okay, and but here, so there is no dead cells. Okay, and then it is a living cells. Okay, living cells. Okay, what is the difference? We will see. So just imagine, okay, this is a plant cell. Okay, everyone. Yeah, if it is a plant cell, so what is the, okay, yes, outermost part, everyone. Outermost for the part for the plant cell. Yes, yes. Is that a cell wall or a cytoplasm? I want each one of your answers. Is that a
Cell
cell
wall.
wall? Yes, everyone. Is that a cell wall? Yes. Okay, எல்லாருமே ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். எஸ். ஸோ செல் வால் தானா அது? சே எஸ் ஆர் நோ. தட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ
Yes.
இனஃப். ஓகே, எஸ். ஓகே, எஸ். யா, வெரி குட். ஸோ யா, ஒன்லி ஃபியூ ஆர் ஆன்சரிங். ஓகே, ஐ வாண்ட் எவ்ரி ஒன் டு ஆன்சர். இது புரிஞ்சுதா சில்ட்ரன்? இப்போ வரைக்கும் புரிஞ்சுதா? டவுட்ஸ் இருக்கா? எவ்ரி ஒன்?
Yes,
ஓகே.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
யா. Okay. So the, okay, outermost part of a plant cell will be cell wall. Okay, everyone. It's the cell wall. And next to it, yes, okay, you know very well because in your ninth grade you would have learned about the cell structures. Okay. And next to it, so it will have a jelly-like substance. What is the name of the jelly-like substance? What is the name of the jelly-like substance? Okay, it will start with C. Why? Very
Cytoplasm.
good. Okay, it's the cytoplasm. Very good. Okay, and then it will have a, okay, yes, nucleus. Right? Okay, you would have learned all the three parts, right? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, very good. Yes, okay, and then you would have, okay, have you கொஞ்சம் recall பண்ணி பாருங்க. Have you ever, okay, learned about this term protoplasm? எங்கேயாவது
Yes,
இந்த
ma'am.
term? Okay, yes, everyone. So what is a
All
protoplasm?
the cell organelles in the cell, ma'am.
Okay,
All
all the
the
cell organelles. Okay, so protoplasm is nothing but cytoplasm is there, right? Okay, cytoplasm plus nucleus. Okay, cytoplasm and nucleus will form the protoplasm, which is the living part. Okay, protoplasm is the living part. If a particular cell has a protoplasm, we can say it's a living cell. Okay, so this is the condition of a living cell. Living cell, abdina, it should have the cytoplasm and a nucleus. And if not, okay, there will be, okay, only the cell wall. Okay, children, if there is only the cell wall, that is going to be called as a dead cell. So clear? So got the differences between a living cell and a dead cell? Yes, children? Yeah, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So next is, okay, so the xylem. Okay, so the xylem will have four components. Okay, so xylem will have four components. It's also very easy. Yeah. So, okay, even in your ninth grade, you would have learned about xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma alone living cell. Okay, children, because so parenchyma அப்படினாலே இது வந்து living cell தான் சரியா. So xylem parenchyma alone living cell and all other things. Okay, xylem trachea, fibers and vessels, so they are all dead cells. So clear, children? Okay, va? You know which
Yes,
one is the living cell and which, okay, so all others are the dead cells. Okay, and then tracheids. Okay, so in a trachea, water will be, okay, taken. Yeah, it is also tube-like structures. And then, okay, yeah, and then, yes, it's the tracheids and then, yeah, okay, fibers. So fibers will also, yeah, take up the, okay, water. And then, yes, xylem, okay, vessels. And another one is, yeah, in sideways. Okay, so remember that in sideways, okay, children, in sideways the water will be, okay, lateral conduction of a water is done by xylem parenchyma. Okay, ba? Clear, everyone? So
yes,
xylem,
ma'am.
you should know about the unidirectional and then xylem parenchyma alone the living cell and all others are dead cells. Okay, remember this. And then, yeah, okay, we will see about something. Yes, okay, yeah, it's about the transpiration. Okay, okay, wow. So we have seen it, the xylem is one way. Okay, one way directional, which means the water can be carried in only one way, right, everyone? Only one way. Okay, so only one direction, not in the another direction. Okay, because of it, the, okay, so there is a chance that, so there will be the, okay, more amount of a water will be entering into the plant. Okay, if it is more amount, okay, is it safe for the plant? Is it good for the plant to have a
No.
more amount of a water? No, right? Okay, it is not going to be a good one. And even if it is a water, if it is excess, okay, if it is excess, it is going to be called as an, okay, excretory material. Okay, even the excess, okay, excess of the water have to be, okay, excess of a water, it has to be removed. Okay, so removed out of the plant. So how the removal can be done? With the help of, yes, we have learned about the openings which are found in the surface of the leaf, right? What is it called? It will start with S. Yes, an opening.
Stomata.
Tomato,
Tomato.
very good.
Tomato.
Okay, yeah, well done, everyone. And then, okay, we have seen that. So it is guarded by, it is guarded by, it is guarded by
God cells.
God
God's
cells. Very
God's
good. Okay, and so it's very simple, children. Okay, so yeah, so just imagine. Okay, is it visible?
is
Yeah. So the water is taken. Okay, yeah. Yes. So the water is, okay, yes, taken by the roots. And then, so there will be the, okay, xylem. So that the xylem will be taking the, okay, yes, water. Yeah, it will be entering. So lateral ways க்கு xylem parenchyma help பண்ணும். At last water பார்த்தோம்னா எல்லா parts க்கும் போயிடுச்சு. So எல்லா parts க்கும் போறப்போ, okay, yes, while reaching the leaves, it will be entering into the guard cells also. Am I right, children? Okay, because water is taken to all the parts, right? So that it is also entering into the guard cells also. And then if the guard cells are filled with the water, what happens? What happens? Stomata will open or close. If guard cells are filled with water,
It'll open, ma'am.
it will
Open.
open. Yeah, very good. Okay, it will open, and then so the water vapors, the water vapors will be yes. Yeah, so the water vapors will be removed. Okay, so it will be the excess water will be removed. So this process is called as transpiration. Okay, everyone, transpiration. Yeah, so transpiration. Okay, so the transpiration is a process of excretion in which excess water is transpirated. Yeah, so through the stomata. Okay, so clear, children. Yeah, and
Yes,
then
ma'am.
so once the process is initiated, the transpiration process is initiated. Okay, and once the process is initiated, it is also good also. Okay, why it is good? Because it will create a pressure. Okay, it will create a pull. So because of this transpirational pull, the water can be it will be entering into all the parts of the body, so that each and every cells of the plant will get the water. Okay, because of it, transpiration is also important. Okay, children, so clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, yes. So plant cohesion is nothing but, what is the root? Yeah, so to reach the plants, to reach an ear, till stomata. Okay, for example, it will the root only will be absorbing the water, right? So just imagine this is a root hair. Okay, the root will have a tiny root hair. Okay, the root has, yes, so they will be increasing the surface area. So if there is the increase in the surface area, so water will be moved into the plant easily. Okay, and then so first it will be entering here, and then crossing, and then there's a tube like structure called the xylem. And then yes, you can observe this image. Even if when it is started entering into the gut cells, the stomata will be open, and then water, yes, transpiration will be done. Okay, children, yes, any doubts with the transpiration? Is it
No, ma'am.
clear? Yeah. Okay. So there is an experiment given here. So the aim of the experiment is to understand the mechanism of a transpirational pull. Okay. So for example, yes, we have taken two plants. So one is yes, one we have taken a two parts. So only one part will have a plant. Okay. Yeah, okay, another one will not have it. Okay, and then so yes, நம்ம கொஞ்ச நேரம் கழிச்சு இல்லைன்னா ஸோ next day அந்த மாதிரி பார்க்குறோம்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. Okay, so yes, if there is a plastic cover wrapped around it, or otherwise a bell jar, yeah, okay, if we cover it, yes, we can observe the water droplets here. Okay, water droplets here, and it is yes, it is because of the transpiration. Okay, everyone, clear? Yes, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yes, so that is it. Okay, and next to it, it's a imbibition. So we will see what is imbibition. It is very simple, children. Okay, there is a solid particle. Okay, there is a solid particle. Yeah, so the solid particle will be observing the water. Okay, solid particle will be observing the water. Okay, ஒரு example பார்க்கணும்னா, there is a seed. Okay, so the seed, yes, okay, when you soak the seed in the water, the seeds will be observing it, right? Okay, the seeds is a solid one. It's a solid one. It is observing a water. It's the imbibition. Yeah, yes, Sanjay.
மேம் இதுக்கு வந்துட்டு
Mm.
the ingestion of water to inside solid particles எழுதலாமா?
Okay, ingestion of a water to,
Water inside solid particles.
okay, yes, absorption of a water by a solid particle. Yes, okay, absorption அப்படின்ற term வந்து நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, absorption. What is absorption, everyone? Okay, so okay, in our home, so we will be having a kitchen towel, right? What is the use of a kitchen towel? If there is a spill, okay, for milk or water, anything, okay. So if there is a water, yeah, we will be, okay, having a, okay, yes, kitchen towel with the help of a kitchen towel, okay. So the kitchen towel will be observing, okay, observe panichun solvom, yeah, right? Okay, it is also like there is a seed and then there is water, and seed absorbs the water. Okay, everyone. So here, okay, yes, you should know what is imbibition. So clear about the imbibition term, everyone.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So next to it, okay, it is about the phloem. Okay, we will see about the phloem. So phloem is bidirectional, and then, okay, yes, yeah. In xylem, okay, living cells are abundant or dead cells are abundant. எது வந்து abundant ஆ இருக்கும்?
Living cells.
Okay, in xylem.
Dead cells.
Dead cells, okay. But in the case of a phloem, it is the opposite, okay. So the living component are abundant in the phloem, okay. And then, so yes, okay, phloem parenchyma, sieve elements, companion cells, everything will be the living cells. They are all, okay, living cells. Fibers, okay, even in your 9th grade you would have learned about sclerenchyma, as
Yes,
children.
ma'am.
Okay, so sclerenchyma, and then the well-known example is the coconut husk, right? Okay, the coconut husk. So the coconut husk is a, okay, the plant, yeah. So the hardest, okay, the hardest plant tissue will be the sclerenchyma, and then fiber is one type of a sclerenchyma. Okay, fibers. So that, okay, fibers are. So do you think they are the living cells or the dead
Dead
cells?
cell, ma'am.
Yes, okay, they are the dead cells. Okay, yes. So here in the phloem, except, yeah, so except the phloem fibers, all are living compounds. Okay, all are living compounds. Okay, so இப்போ வந்து பார்த்தோம்னா ஒரு 10th, okay, so உங்களோட 10 questionல தான் வந்து so ஒரு question இருந்தது, which means, yeah, so there is, okay, so yeah, okay, there are two things, okay. So இப்போ பார்த்தோம்னா, yes, you have to tell me xylem or a phloem, which will, okay, which will be giving the, yes, okay, yeah, and 1 minute, okay. So yes, which particular component will provide the mechanical support, xylem or a phloem?
Xylem, ma'am.
Xylem, very good. Yeah, it's a xylem. Okay, everyone. And then, so yes, sieve elements. So sieve elements are, yes, so they are also the living component. Okay, so yes, it's the living component, and then, okay, conduction of the element. Yes, okay, the food will be taken here, and then a sieve tubes. Sieve tubes will have a well perforated, and then so they are efficient in, okay, so transporting the materials, okay, they are the efficient, okay. And another one is, yeah, sieve cells, okay, the sieve cells will also the, okay, living component. And then one more important one is the companion cells. So the companion cells, and then, okay, the sieve tubes, okay, remember children. So sieve tubes, companion cells together வந்து it is called as a sister cells. Clear? So இப்போ ஒரு plantல companion cells இருக்குன்னா, so okay, compulsory there will be the, okay, sieve tubes, okay, because of it they are called as a sister cells, and they have the same origin. Okay, so they have the same origin. Okay வா. And next to it, so phloem parenchyma ஓட ஒரு, okay, yes, characteristic feature அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா, it is a living component, and then it will help in the storage. Okay, so food வந்து store பண்ணறதுக்கும் it will be helpful. Okay, everyone, next to it, it's the phloem fiber. So it is made up of a, okay, dead cells. Okay, if there is a, if it is a dead cell, it is going to provide the mechanical strength. Okay, everyone. Yes. Yeah, next to it, it's the, okay, translocation of, okay, solute. So here, okay, we have to learn about two things. Okay, one is the source, another one will be the sink. Source and sink. Okay, it's very simple, children. Okay, so which one is called as the, okay, yes, kitchen of a plant? Kitchen of a plant. Kitchen of a plant. Leaf, root. Yeah, very good. Leaf, right? Okay, so that the source is called as a leaf, because the, okay, yes, the photosynthesis done, or otherwise the glucose is, okay, produced here. And next to it, okay, the sink. The sink, okay, storage. எந்த ஒரு பிளான்ட்டும் பார்த்தோம்னா அது ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வைக்கும் இல்லையா? ஸோ ஓகே, ஸோ சோர்ஸ்ல இருந்து சிங்க்குக்கு அண்ட் தென் சிங்க்ல இருந்து சோர்ஸுக்கு பார்த்தோம்னா ஃப்ளோயம் வந்து என்ன பண்ணணும், ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா ஓகே, ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ தட்ஸ் இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பார்த்தோம்னா எஸ் white is bidirectional na, okay, from the source, yeah, from the leaf to okay any parts. So store பண்ணி வைக்கிற பார்ட் இது ஒரு ஃப்ரூட்டா இருக்கலாம், ரைட்? ஓகே, ஸோ வந்து ஒரு ஆப்பிள் ட்ரீன்னு வச்சுப்போம். ஆப்பிள் ட்ரீல ஆப்பிள் லீவ்ஸ் எல்லாமே வந்து they will do the photosynthesis and then okay the sink will be okay sink அப்படின்னா so the fruit will be storing the food. Okay, and after that yes okay it will be entering into various partsக்கும் போகணும் so that it is bidirectional. Okay ba, so this is called as yes okay upward and then okay yes downward direction. Okay va everyone, clear? So we'll see the okay differentiation yeah in the next class. And then okay excretion, so we have seen all the okay already, it's nothing but the transpiration. Okay va everyone, so the transpiration is of yeah many types. We will see what it is. It is the stomatal, lenticular and cuticular. Okay, in the case of a stomatal, yeah, so the usual method, okay, it is about 90 to 90% of the water, okay, transpiration is happening through the stomata. And next to it the lenticular na, so okay in the woody plants, have you ever seen this type of a structures children? You would have seen this type
Yes,
of a
ma'am.
structure. Okay, they are called as lenticels. Okay, lenticels, few amount of a water, okay, very minimal amount of a water is also transpirated through the lenticels. It is called as lenticular transpiration. And apart from that okay yes there is a leaf, and over the leaf some of the plants will have a outer covering which is called as a cuticle. It will be like a okay a plastic sheet. Have you ever seen it? Yeah,
Water
or
is
yes okay, so even okay so even from the cuticle also very minimal amount of okay transpiration will happen. It is cuticular transpiration. Okay everyone, and the rest is okay yeah. And other than that yes there are another products, right? Okay, we will be using it. Okay, so the gums and or otherwise okay even a rubber, yeah, so they okay it is a waste product for the plant but we are using it. Okay, so clear?
Book a free demo class and join Pumpa to make your children topper.